What's good, boos? It's SheenBoo, and you already know we about to get this glow up started. I got my eyebrows done finally, so now I'm about to get my hair done. It's shrunken. I just took my flat twist out because I washed it and I kind of let it air dry, so it won't let me be great, but don't judge my hair. By the end of the video, it will be done. So anyway, I'm not talking about anything. I just want to tell y'all that we about to get this glow up started. And today is Tuesday. Amber's wedding is Saturday. So I don't know how everything's gonna go, but you guys know I usually vlog when I'm in weddings. So I'm gonna be bridesmaid again. Ooh, this hair. Let's come back when I look cute. But yeah, I'm gonna vlog that too. So let's get the glow up right. You guys, I got my wig on prime. About to show y'all right quick before I get my hair done. It's from Mega Look. Needed to focus. Then this is the one that it is. 360 lace frontal, 18-inch. What's good, boos? It's SheenBoo, and you already know I just came to give you guys like an update on this beautiful hair. So the last y'all see me with this hair, I was in the salon like basically getting it installed. So the hair is excellent, the quality is good. At this point I've had this wig on for 7 days. She did bleach the knots, so as you can see, like when you part it, it looks just like scalp. I was like, I really didn't think that this hair was 18 inches because when it was curly, it didn't look like it. But y'all, like, look, the hair comes all the way down to my boob area. And then when I flip it around to the back, it's like below my bra strap, like a few inches. So it's definitely 18 inches, but when it was curly, it didn't look like it. At this point, it is starting to lift up. So I'm going to be taking it off, but I really do like the way that my sister got it to lay down really flat and how she bleached the knots. It is pre-plucked with baby hairs. So y'all don't really want to see those because they look a little crusty. I'll go ahead and insert the pictures of it freshly straightened. And then the clips of it are pictures. I didn't get any video. The picture of it was Shirley's. So what I did is have my sister put Shirley's in it on Thursday for my college bestie's wedding on Saturday. And she pin curled it, and the hair held the curls all the way until Saturday. And then I believe I combed them out on Monday. So it holds a curl really well. So she pin curled it straight from putting the Shirley's in it. So I'll insert pictures of that as well. But yeah, you guys, this is really good hair. It has very minimum shedding. When I first got it, when I ran my fingers through it, I had basically no shedding. But now that I've been wearing it for 9 days, it has a little more shedding because it gets tangled. But look, my fingers run right through it. It's shiny, it's pretty, but it's not too shiny to me to where it looks fake. It is a natural color. I didn't get to select the color. It looks a little bit darker on camera. but it's really like a nice brown. Like if I was in the sun, you would really be able to see. I'm also testing out this new backdrop. Oh, and one last thing I'll insert is me putting it up in a ponytail. I can't show you that now because the wig is already starting to lift, but I'll show you what it looks like up in a ponytail. And it has front baby hairs, back baby hairs. It's pre-plucked, 18 inches. I got it off of Amazon. I'll go ahead and have it linked down below. Let me go to my Amazon cart right quickly so I could tell you guys what everything says, because right now I'm just telling you fresh off the dome. So so it is the Mega Look 360 lace frontal. Wig pre-plucked with baby hairs, 18-inch body wave, Brazilian human hair, natural hairline, 150 density, 18 inches. So yeah, and when I got it done, my sister actually took the combs out. It also has an adjustable strap in the back. So what my sister did, and again, for you, those of you guys who don't know, she is a licensed stylist. I'll link her information down below as well. But she glued the perimeter of my hair. She melted down my wig cap, and then she just stitched it on the sides and in the back with a little bit of weaving thread. In order to remove it, you're supposed to use 80% rubbing alcohol. But when she had made a mistake and she took it off, she used 50% and it still worked. So I'm going to use this 50% rubbing alcohol that I got from the dollar store. And I'm going to go ahead and take it off. So this is my first time wearing a full lace wig. So it's only $360 without the tracks. The middle does have tracks in it, but it's still a full lace wig. So this is my first time wearing it and wearing it glue down. So I feel like I've talked enough. So we'll go ahead into using the alcohol. If the free spray doesn't come out with soap and water, so it's just got to be glued hairspray, then I will let you guys know. But